Hello everyone, my name is Kees and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video is going to be slightly different from my normal videos, my how-to videos. This video is going to be me building my client his first ever gaming PC. Now this proposal came to me around last week and I was asked if I build gaming computers, and I was like, yeah, I build gaming computers. Mind you, I haven't really recorded anything other than the 3 that I built. But I was like, you know what, I'll take on this project for him, and I was glad to let you guys know that he actually likes the PC, and I did a really good job. So the components in this PC is an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 CPU that's clocked in at 3.6 gigahertz, and that's also paired up with the MSI B550A Pro ATX motherboard. And this motherboard is AM4, which is really good because AM4 is not dead as of yet, because AMD is releasing another processor that can be used on the AM4 socket. So this PC is definitely future-proof. This is more like a starter PC, so it's not gonna have the craziest specs. But this is more like a starter PC. In the near future, he can upgrade it in the near future. With the motherboard and CPU combo, he also has 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. He has a Seagate 6TB hard drive. I also informed him that I would like him to get an SSD, because not only an SSD is faster than a hard drive, but it's way faster than a hard drive. So you'll be able to load up Windows, load up your programs faster than a hard drive. But because he didn't have the budget, so I'm like, no, we will just go with the 6TB hard drive. The hard drive is still fine. With the video card, he went with the XFX Speedster Radeon RTX 6600. This is an 8GB card, and this is a really good card for 1080p 120 frames per second gaming. Usually with Warzone, Fortnite, Apex, this card is really good for that. And also some casual gaming. And he also has the Spectra ATX mid tower case. Now this tower case actually was the reason why it didn't take me that long to build this PC, but this PC was definitely a challenge because of how small it was, and then how you had to kind of not really bend the cords, but you had to kind of fit the cords in certain ways so you'd be able to fit it in snug and tight. And then lastly, he went with a power supply, 750 watts, which is also perfect. And if you don't really know what power supplies you should be using for your builds, I really recommend you go to PCPartPicker.com. They have a whole website where you can pick out your parts, and it also shows you whether your parts are compatible or not, and it will also show you your estimated wattage that you need for the parts. So, and I always recommend you go 200 to 250 over the recommended estimated wattage. So this far you have little wiggle room, and in the near future when you do want to upgrade your parts, you also have that. Now, without further ado, this is my voiceover coming to the end. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much. And also let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Around next month around there, because next month's my birthday, I'm going to rebuild my PC, because I originally recorded my first PC build, and that was my first ever PC build, but unfortunately my phone broke and I wasn't able to get the data off that phone before it broke. So next month I'm going to redo my build, so you're going to see another video like this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.